Okay, third graders, so we are going to be making our own set of tangrams. So to do this, we are going to need a piece of paper, if you have a couple in case you make a mistake early on. You can get a couple pieces, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and if you say, hey, Mrs. LeBeau, I don't have a ruler, okay, you actually do. Inside your planner, okay, inside your planner on the cover, on the inside, there is a ruler. So there's a centimeter side and an inches side. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use your ruler on your planner to measure. Okay, so if you can't find a ruler, go ahead and get your planner out. That resource is there for you. Okay, so first thing, when making a tangram, we are going to make puzzle pieces that will consist of 7 puzzle pieces. And to do this, we need to start with a 6 by 6 inch square. So to do that, oh, and a pencil, if you didn't have a pencil. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to get my ruler. I'm going to model it first with the planner for those who don't have it, and straighten my paper out. And then I'm going to use my inches side, and I'm going to line it up right here. Make sure your inches is the 0. This would be the 0 is right on the edge, and go right to the 6 inch mark. Okay. And then I'm just going to slide my planner down and find, just to make sure that my line is straight, I'm going to remeasure here. That's the 0 line, and all the way to 6 inches. And then I'm going to connect that line. Okay. So don't use that rounded edge of the planner because that won't make a straight line. And then I'm going to connect it. Okay. So now I have 6 inches from the edge of my paper to this line. I could check it with this ruler. It's 6 inches on top and 6 inches on the bottom. Perfect. Now I want it to be a perfect square. So this side is 6 inches. And now I need to make sure that going across is, or the length of it is 6 inches. So I'm going to measure and find the 6 inch mark. And I'm going to measure on this side and find the 6 inch mark. Make sure your edge is right at the 0. And then I'm going to connect my line. Okay, let me just double check where that line is. Okay. So when I cut this, it should be a 6 by 6 inch square. Okay, let me measure that. Okay, can even check it with my planner. 6 inches by 6 inches. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to cut it out. Okay, when making tangrams, if you're a little bit off the line, do not shave off the extras, because you'll see when making your puzzle that it makes some pieces unusable. Okay, now I have a 6 by 6 inch square. Okay, I'm going to just double check all the sides. 6 inches, turn it. 6 inches, turn it. 6 inches, perfect. And 6 inches, oh, and 6 inches, sorry, you couldn't see that. And 6 inches. Okay. If you want to make sure you have another piece in case you make a mistake, one thing I did earlier was I just got my second piece of paper and just did a quick trace. So in case I made a mistake on my first one, I wouldn't have to remeasure again. I would just have an extra one right there. Okay, so that is how you make your 6 inch square.